In this video, you'll learn how to add BNB Smart Chain to your OKX Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your BNB assets directly within the Wallet app, enhancing your cryptocurrency experience. Begin by opening the OKX application on your mobile device. Once the app is fully loaded, navigate to the bottom of the screen where you will find the Wallet tab. Tap on this tab to access your wallet options. After entering the wallet section, look for the option labeled Web3 Wallet and select it. This will direct you to your Web3 Wallet interface, where you can manage various tokens and assets. Next, locate the button that says Add Token within the Web3 Wallet screen. This will open a new menu where you can manage your tokens. Tap on Manage Tokens or the option labeled plus Add Token to proceed. In the search bar that appears, type BNB. The application will filter the results based on your inputs. If BNB appears in the list, tap on it to select it. This action will prompt the wallet to add the BNB Smart Chain to your list of tokens. Once you have tapped to add BNB, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the token's been successfully added. This confirmation ensures that you can now access and manage your BNB Smart Chain directly from your OKX wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.